Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert any video into text using Flixeer.com. This method works the same on both Android and iPhone, so let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and type Video to Text Converter into the address bar. Once you get the search results, look for Flixeer.com and click on it. After you've landed on the Flixeer website, find the option that says Transcribe Video and tap on it. Now, tap on the Upload button to select the video file you want to convert to text. You can choose any video from your device. Once your video is uploaded, Flixeer will start processing it. Depending on the length of your video, this may take a few minutes. And then click on Generate. When the processing is complete, your transcript will be ready. You can view the text directly on the screen or download it as a file. And that's how you can quickly and easily convert your videos to text using Flixeer.com. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to App Insight for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.